of the rain, and who art thou, said I to the soft falling star. The poet asked the drizzle. Drizzle means light rain. Shower of rain is known as drizzle. One day the poet asked the rain, and who art thou? Who are you? Who art thou means who are you? Which stands to tell gave me an answer as here translated. Whatever the answer the rain gave was a strange one, and the poet is telling that he is going to explain it. He is going to explain it accordingly. I am the poem of earth. The rain said that he was the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Eternal means continuously. I rise upwards from the land and the bottomless sea. What are the origin of the rain? Bottomless sea and the land. And different water bodies are the birthplace of the rain. Impalpable means in invisible form through the work of evaporation. And upwards to heaven, whence vaguely formed altogether changed and yet the same. And when I come in the upper zone and I change myself, here the scientific knowledge of the poet is highlighted, and it changes into clouds. Chemical composition is the same, H2O, but the physically it changes. And I descend, I come down to lave the drought, to wash the drought, desert, dry place. Atom is just layer of the globe. Globe means earth. I come down to wash the dry places of the earth, and all there in them without me were seed only latent unborn, and seed are unborn without me. Seed cannot germinate without me. And forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin, and in a cyclic manner I give life, I support life on the earth, and make pure and beautified for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, and duly with love return. The last line are written in bracket because these are not the voice of the rain. Whether people care for me or not, I come down and then again go in the upper zone, and in the cyclic manner, whether people care for me or not, I repeat my cycle. Start writing an estimation. Start writing an estimation. Start writing an estimation. A-N-N, estimation. E-S-T-I-M-A-T-I-O-N. An estimation. The voice of the rain. The voice of the rain is an allegory. A-L-L-E-G-O-R-Y. The voice of the rain is an allegory. A-L-L-E-G-O-R-Y. That is, i.e., a poetic device which has two meanings. A poetic device which has two meanings, the surface meaning and the inner meaning. The surface meaning, a poetic device which has two meanings, the surface meaning and the other meaning. It is written by Walt Whitman, W-A-L-T, Walt Whitman, W-H-I-T-M-A-N, Walt Whitman. One day the poet asked